Okay, I got 10 minutes. Look at the bathroom I'm in. Look at these mirrors. I think I want something like this in my house. Okay. And even I'm good. I'm just looking at the remodel that they did here. It's nice. But I think it was some mirrors right here. Anyway, let me wash my hands. Oh, and the water is nice and warm. In the building where I work, there's cold water. It doesn't soap and lather up that much. Get up under your nails, ladies. Ladies, get up under your nails. Okay. Oh, that feels good. Nice and warm. In the building where I work, get up under your nails. Let the water get up under your nails and rinse up under your nails. Okay. I already got my paper towel. I don't know why they put the paper towel up over the trash. To me, that's germs. I would put the paper towel next to the trash compactor. Let me show you. And y'all probably already know. These are the paper towels. This is the trash compactor. This would be over there, or either this would be further over here. And in fact, I would take this where the paper towel come from and place it right here on this wall, because here's the sink. Okay, so now let me show you all. And this sink is wet. This would drive my mama crazy. Have the sink all wet. It drives me crazy, but just a little bit. Like, you're not gonna be condemned to hell for it. So this is the lotion. Okay. And then they just called me and told me the other prescription. Well, they just texted me and told me the other prescription is ready. So I decided to cash out my sister. I'm gonna cash out my sister the birthday money. And just send her a nice little, I'm going to try to download a nice little photo, happy birthday photo, or just contact her on social media and put a nice little meme or something, whatever they call them things. Okay. She said I can put it on my face too. I should go like a stop over, y'all, and let Lens Crafters tighten my glasses up. I may do it tomorrow just to get out the house. So I think I'll be able. I think I'll be able to go home and get everything straight for the inspection on the 27th. And I definitely have to go home and get all, well, I already got all my dirty clothes together. I'm just gonna go to the wash house and wash them. So today is like an all day thing.
Last week I was on Thursday and Friday. This week I'm just on Friday. Lost, probably.
Oh, it's this one down here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up the video.
Ground floor.
Alright.
Do we press that?
Yeah.
Your nails are pretty.
Oh, thank you.
What's up, champ? You alright?
Thank you. Wow. So, I'm on my way to pick up my prescription and to go to my P.O. box and see if I got anything. So I'll record that some other time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for going with me. And if I figure out a way to combine these videos in YouTube and post it, I will. Today is Friday, January 5th, 16th, 2026. I love you for watching to the end. Bye, 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 bye. You know, that's that old gospel. Choir. Just showing y'all some scenery. Yeah. It's not greasy. She said it wouldn't be. Oh, hold it. Hold it. Okay.
There is a car there, but I cannot really see. But
Is it burgundy?
I don't see the color. I see it by the glass doors. But
I can just walk up there.
no, you cannot.
Oh.
She has to come here.
All right, let me see if that's her.
Yeah, there is a car there, but you cannot. You see by the glass. Yeah. You saw what's coming inside.
I don't know if that's her. Can you pull out a little bit more so we can see, or is it sitting right here?
Okay, all aboard. You going up and down? Okay, I'm going down. All right, have a good one. All right, on the way. Go pick up my prescription. Go check my P.O. box, and then I'm going home. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend. If I don't see you no more this weekend, enjoy your weekend.